Can you really grow onions from just the root base? Let's find out. A few onions were cut near the root and buried in soil. To our surprise, the cut onions sprouted faster than the whole onion. Within a week, green shoots grew tall and lush, while the uncut onion only sprouted on day 12. Interesting, right? But here's the real question: can they actually grow into full onion bulbs underground? An African grower tested it for 120 days. First, he grew shoots in water, then transplanted them into soil. By day 40, the onion greens looked amazing, but still no bulbs. So he split the seedlings, planted some in the yard and some in bags, and kept waiting. Finally, by day 120, success. Both in the yard and in the bags, onions had formed. But there's a catch. If you don't separate the seedlings, the onions grow crowded and weak. So next time you cook, save that onion root base. Stick it in a pot. You won't just get onion greens, you'll get real onions too.